Want to compress PDF files automatically, quickly, and without losing quality? Whether you're sending emails, uploading files, or freeing up space, this video has you covered. Open the Make platform and log into your account. Create a new scenario. Choose Google Drive and select Download a file. Then pick Select from List and choose the PDF you want to compress. If your file isn't on Google Drive yet, make sure to upload it first. Next, add ComPDFKit PDF editor to the flow. Choose Compress. Create a task. Now, you'll need to enter your license key to connect to ComPDFKit PDF editor. If you don't have one yet, just click here to sign up for a free ComPDF API account. You'll get 1,000 documents per month for free. If you already have an account, head over to your dashboard, click API keys, copy your license, or create a new one here. Go back to Make, paste your license key, and hit Save. Click Next Step, upload the file. Then select Start a Task. After that, go to Flow Control and choose Repeater, so the next steps can loop until the task is done. Now choose Get File Information. We'll need to set up two routers. Go to Flow Control, select Router. The first one, add a Tools module. This handles retries if the file isn't ready yet. The second one, add an HTTP module. This gets triggered once the compressed file is ready and returns the file URL. After the HTTP module, add Google Drive again and choose Upload a file. Then add JSON, parse JSON. Also, don't forget to add an error handler. Choose Commit. Now hit Run once. Once the scenario finishes running, head over to your Google Drive. Check the output file. You'll see the size has been reduced. Open both the original and the compressed file, and visually, there's no difference in quality at all.